Hey guys, listen, do y'all remember this wig right here? It's Icy Hair's V5 Tiny Knots wig. Remember this little part right there? Remember that, okay? Because that's what we're going to talk about today. This video was supposed to be something else, but it ended up being this. Just look at all the attributes, y'all. You remember this video, right? We was loving it, okay? We were liking that. Look at that part right there, y'all. Just look at it, okay? Just look at it. Now that's the short that I did. This clip right here is in the actual video that I did for this wig, okay? Y'all see that part? You see it now? Let me bring it up, because I know somebody out there talking about, we don't even see it. Y'all see that right there? That's tracked. That means that's where the part stops. Now, this is the same exact wig, okay? That's the no slip elastic. You already see there's no combs. You see the IC tag. You have the ear, the C-shaped ear tags off to the side with pride. Y'all, look at this part right here, y'all. Look at that part in space. That's 4 inches, okay? 4 inches. I want y'all to see it, and you're gonna see it in various ways throughout this video. And that is because a lot of people seem to think that this is a 6-inch part wig, and they sent me 6 inches to put off as 4 inches, and the rest of y'all getting 4 inches. No. Y'all know I don't play those games. So, this is how we gonna do this right here. Now, initially, the whole purpose of this video was to press this wig. I wanted to press it. And I'm going to press it because I want to do what it is that I wanted to do in the first place. So as I went back to the video, I saw comments like, she know that's a 6-inch part, and she gonna have y'all out there thinking you about to get a 6-inch part, and then you get a 4-inch part, and such and such and such and such. So let me show y'all. This is the same wig. As you can see, this is clearly used, y'all. This is not out the bag. You know, wigs don't even come out the bag like that. You already know what time it is. Same exact wig, okay? The V5 Kinky Curly Tiny Knots wig from Icy Hair. All right, so like I said, we're gonna do 2 things up in here today, okay? We're gonna do 2 things. And y'all listen, this is all in love. I'm just showing y'all because I could tell y'all, but sometimes it's just better to show you, right? So we gonna show that thing today.
Show 'em, dresser.
So the wig is 20 inches long. It is pre-bleached, pre-cut, and it has, like I said, the no slip elastic adjustable band, and it has no combs. This one has no combs, y'all. This is the one that I told them I wish had combs, and then they put for the new M caps. Now they have the removable combs for, you know, because there are people who don't want combs. I happen to want combs. This is what I did to the wig initially, so you can see how we got to this point. So this is when it was right out of the bag. As you can see, I tinted the lace. That's why you see the lace, it's darker in the front, because this is what I did to it when I first got the wig, okay? When I first got the wig, these are the steps that I took to achieve the look that you see in the wig now. So if you notice the little tinting along the front of it, that's because that's what I did when I first got the wig, okay? As you can see, same exact wig. Now, we're gonna go ahead and move forward to what it is that I had intended on doing in the first place, which is press the wig. Now, I'm pressing it because they have new M caps that are crazy. These wigs are so dope, and they do have a straight one, but y'all know I'm not a fan of straight wigs. I'm not a fan of straight hair because it's the density don't be densitying, the body don't be body yaddy yaddy. I'm just not a fan of like silky straight wigs like that, but I would love to try their wear go wigs because you literally can plop them on, y'all. These are like definitely one of my favorite glueless wig brands. They know what they're doing. And this is not even the M cap, y'all. This is the V5. So they do have a straight version of the M cap, and I'm not really interested in trying it. It looks great. It's just that it's really straight, y'all, and I don't like that. I don't like really straight, like 150% density hair, or even 180. If it's like silky straight like that, I want some body. If I'm gonna wear a straight wig, it's got to have some body to it, y'all. So I was like, ooh, what if I take one of the kinky curly wigs and press it? So that's the whole concept behind this right here. That's how I'm gonna get the body that I want. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm gonna get that body, honey. So that's the whole purpose of this right here. That's what me and my favorite hoodie wanted to do. And I'm just giving it some shape, little razzle dazzle. You know what time, y'all know I went to hair school. Got to give it a little razzle dazzle. But that, if I'm gonna wear a straight wig, baby, that body got to be, I'm talking, it's got to be ignorant. It's got to be like that, okay? It's got to be like that. And it is. But that's because it's a kinky curly wig that I pressed. So the body that comes with curly hair is going to be in that press. It's not meant to be bone straight, y'all. That's not where I was going with it. That's not what I wanted. And yeah, we weren't going that direction. Now, you probably could press this bone straight if that's what you want to do, but that's just not my particular favorite sort of straight hair, okay? And maybe because my own natural hair, I don't like my own natural hair to be bone silky straight. Like I don't want it to be super pressed out like that. And mainly because I got a teaspoon of hair, and if I stand in front of a white wall, you're gonna see all the way through to the other side of the game, and I'm not here for it, okay? So when I have straight hair, I needed to come with something. You know what I'm saying? I need to come with some pizzazz. That's it, that's all. But I want y'all to just look and pay attention to this part, okay? Because this is still the same exact wig, okay? It's still glueless, it's still like that. What you see to your right, that is when I first got it. It's the same part, y'all. It's 4 inches. Now keep in mind, I trimmed the lace too, so I probably trimmed a little bit of that parting space off of there. All right, you don't have to trim it because it is pre-cut, but you know, I'm extra on top of extra, so I want my lace to look a certain way. But y'all, I just had to come on because y'all know I don't mind calling these companies out. Y'all already know that. That's why I ghost buy. So if I felt like they were sending me something and sending y'all something else, I'm gonna say that. I need y'all to know. I know a lot of you guys are new to me and you don't know, and that's cool. I understand that. So now we know if it were 6 inches, that's how long that part would be. That's 6 inches right there. Okay. I just need y'all to see that. I need y'all to understand that. Okay. So it's 4 inches back and it's 6 inches across your dome. Okay. That's the dimensions of this particular wig. Now, this is an M cap, y'all. As you can see, it has the removable combs. It has the red M cap wear go elastic. Y'all already know what time it is. These wigs are 9x6. So you're gonna have 6 inches going back on the M caps. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is the water wave. Y'all know I've done the kinky curly and then I just did the water wave. So that's what this is. That's where you see that sits, okay? That's where that's gonna come in. And it's 9 inches going across. So you have 9 inches of lace going across, 6 inches going back, okay? That's where you're gonna be, somewhere off in that vicinity. Now, here's the wig that we just pressed today. Okay, and then I have the M cap on my head so you guys can just see the difference. One is 4 inches back, one is 6 inches back. Now I'm going to take the 6 inch one off my head and put it on Sheila so y'all can see. Okay, it's just different. 6 inches of, and that's my favorite parting space. So that's why I know so well what a 6 inch part is supposed to look like, okay? As opposed to 4. All right? Side by side, okay? Okay, y'all? No, I got you out here. I'm not about to do that. All right? We good. Your mama and them good. Everybody cool? All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.